Hello, I'm Chris Goebel, Chair of the School of Communication and Creative and Performing Arts and Lecturer in Communication Studies. Our school gives students the opportunity to dive right in, creating and understanding content, whether that's in one of our art studios, sculpting and painting, or in our media labs working on our new sports video program, in the performance hall creating music in one of our many music ensembles, or in the theater in front of or behind the curtain. With majors in art and art education, communication studies, strategic communication and public relations, music and music education, and theater, our school allows students to create, analyze, and understand how to truly connect with an audience and impact them. And when you think about it, in our world today, who doesn't need people who can do that?
Hello, I am Dr. Solly Lee Clark. I teach piano and music theory. I'm here to talk about music education program at Monmouth College. I'd like to emphasize that our students are well prepared, both for teaching practice and also examination. Teacher certification exam, we're very successful at it. And also we get great support from local schools. Our students are very active at getting practicum and also teaching practices.
Hello, I'm Tim Pale and I teach music at Monmouth College. And one thing I want people to know about our music major is that we have a close-knit community of faculty and students who love music and who are dedicated to making great music together.
Hi everyone, I'm Vanessa Campagna, Associate Professor in the Theater program here at Monmouth. And I would like for you to know that our BA Theater program does have that broad training in all areas of the discipline, but our program also has a little bit of BFA flavor in that in the final quarter of your curriculum, you can specialize in an area of theater practice that most excites you. I hope you'll join us.
Hi, my name is Lori Walters and I teach communication studies courses here at Monmouth College. One thing I would love students to know about our program is that we really embrace experiential learning as well as hands-on experiences in our courses. So students have the opportunity to actually work on our student newspaper. They have the opportunity to be in our radio station and be on air. Students also are required to complete an internship, which allows them a great opportunity for networking and building up their resumes so that they're really going to be noticed by potential employers.
Hi, I'm Stacy Lotes and I teach art and art education. And one of the great things about our art education major here at Monmouth is that not only do you build a great foundation for becoming a teacher, but you also get the opportunity to continue making your own work and find your own voice through that medium.
Hi, I'm Shweta and I teach strategic communication and public relations courses. One thing that we believe in the area of communication studies is that all communication is strategic, whether it is interpersonal, organizational, or you communicating on behalf of a business to create their social media strategy. So if you're interested in any of these areas and want to learn how to create messages that are effective to reach to a specific audience, strategic communication and public relations are a great way to explore that.
I'm Janice Myers-Wunderlich. I teach art and creative processes and art history here at Monmouth College. One thing I want you to know about the art program is that we will make sure that you will get plenty of experiential learning while you're here. So your hands will get dirty, but you'll be immersed in the material, and the material is such a fantastic teacher.